In this lesson, we're taking a look at a fun arrangement of a paradiddle-diddle rudiment applied around the drum set. Go get your sticks and get ready to dig in. Alright, so here's today's quick lick. Let's break it all the way down to its basic concepts and build it back up from there. At its core, this lick is a single paradiddle-diddle, which is an accented right hand followed by a left, two rights, and two lefts. You can even sound out paradiddle-diddle as you play it, keeping in mind that a diddle is two notes in a row with the same hand. Paradiddle-diddle. Paradiddle-diddle. To achieve higher speeds, practice bouncing or double stroking the diddles. In addition to our accented right hand, we're also going to accent the single left hand stroke. Paradiddle-diddle. Paradiddle-diddle. There's one thing about your technique that if you get in the habit of doing slowly, will make it much easier to go really fast. As soon as you've played the last unaccented note on your right hand, lift your right stick all the way up to get ready for the accent. Do the same thing for your left hand. As soon as you've played the last unaccented stroke on your left hand, lift your left stick up all the way to get ready for the accent. This next step allows this lick to fit nice and evenly into one beat of 32nd notes or two beats of 16th notes. We're going to add two kick drum hits at the end, like this. There's nothing too complicated about this step. We just need to give our foot some time to get used to playing nice with our hands. Next, we'll invert the whole thing, which means taking the first stroke and moving it to the end. Our first stroke is an accented right, so we'll just move it over. And now we have accented left, right, right, left, left, kick, kick, accented right. We are also going to orchestrate that last note, the accented right, to the floor tom. Let's go for it. And that, my friends, is today's lick in its entirety. You've done it! If you are feeling frustrated because you can't play it as fast as you want to play it, be patient with yourself. Speed will come in time. Just keep playing it every day. If you find that it's still a struggle to play the whole lick at all, go back to the first step that started giving you a little bit of trouble. Spend a few days or a whole week on just that single step. You want to be very comfortable with each step before you move on to the next. Don't give up, keep working on it, and you will get this lick. Remember, hard work today makes the tomorrow you a better drummer.